Bogota, the capital of Colombia, is a vibrant metropolis nestled in the Andes Mountains, boasting a mix of colonial charm and modern energy. Enchants visitors with historic landmarks like La Candelaria, colorful streets, and the historic Bolivar Square. The Gold Museum showcases pre-Columbian treasures, while Montserrat Hill offers panoramic views. Bogota's diverse culinary scene and lively cultural events add to the city's allure, creating a dynamic destination where tradition meets contemporary vibrancy in the heart of South America. Before we dive into the video, consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest content. Click the subscribe button below, and let's get started with the video. Number 1. La Candelaria, the historic heart of Bogota, Colombia, beckons with its cobblestone streets and colonial charm. Nestled beneath the shadow of Montserrat, this district is a tapestry of vibrant hues, showcasing colonial-era houses adorned with graffiti art. The Plaza Bolivar, surrounded by architectural gems like the cathedral and the presidential palace, resonates with history. Museums, such as the Gold Museum and the Botero Museum, offer cultural treasures. Quaint cafes and lively street markets add to the atmosphere, making La Candelaria a captivating blend of past and present, a must-visit for those seeking Bogota's rich heritage and contemporary allure. Two, Ascend Montserrat in Bogota, aboard the cable car for a breathtaking journey to elevated serenity. Offering panoramic views of the city sprawled below, the cable car gradually climbs the lush slopes of Montserrat, a sacred mountain. At the summit, a sanctuary awaits, housing the revered fallen lord of Montserrat statue. Devotees pilgrimage here, and visitors relish the spiritual ambience and vistas. The cable car experience is a fusion of natural beauty and cultural significance, creating a memorable exploration of Bogota's landscape and religious heritage from the elevated perch of Montserrat. 3. Plaza Bolivar in Bogota, a historical centerpiece, radiates with cultural and political significance. Encircled by architectural marvels like the neoclassical capital, the presidential palace, and the cathedral, the plaza offers a glimpse into Colombia's past and present. A statue of Simón Bolívar, the Liberator, commands attention at the center. Street performers and lively markets add a dynamic flair to the square. The national capital houses the Congress, embodying democratic ideals. The ambience captures the pulse of Bogota, where history converges with contemporary life, making Plaza Bolivar a vital hub and a symbol of Colombian identity. 4. Nestled in Bogota, the Botero Museum is a captivating treasure trove celebrating the iconic Colombian artist Fernando Botero. Housed in a colonial mansion, the museum showcases Botero's signature style through a generous collection of his voluptuous sculptures and paintings. The plump figures, whether depicting people, animals, or still life, radiate a distinctive charm. The museum's ambience, enriched by the colonial architecture, adds to the allure of Botero masterpieces. It stands as a cultural gem, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the whimsical and vibrant world created by one of Colombia's most renowned artists. 5. The Salt Cathedral in Zipaquirá near Bogota is an underground marvel sculpted within a salt mine. This spiritual masterpiece, carved 200 meters beneath the surface, merges natural wonders with human artistry. Chambers house breathtaking salt sculptures, including the towering cross in the central nave. The ambient lighting enhances the cathedral's mystical aura, creating an ethereal experience for visitors. Stations of the cross guide pilgrims through salt-carved passages, emphasizing the cathedral's spiritual significance. A testament to engineering and devotion, this unique sanctuary reflects Colombia's cultural fusion of tradition and innovation, making it a compelling destination that transcends both geological and spiritual realms. 6. Bogota Botanical Gardens, a verdant oasis amid urban hustle, enchant with diverse plant life and serene landscapes. Home to over 19,000 plant species, the gardens showcase Colombia's rich biodiversity. Stroll through themed gardens like the Orchidarium and the Andean Cloud Forest, where vibrant blooms and rare orchids captivate. Educational trails offer insights into local ecosystems, fostering environmental awareness. The Hummingbird Garden and Butterfly House add to the enchantment. The garden serves more than a picturesque retreat. They play a vital role in conservation and education, inviting visitors to explore, learn, and reconnect with nature in the heart of the city. Seven, Parkade Eventos. Nestled in the heart of Bogota is a bustling urban park offering a harmonious blend of recreation and cultural vibrancy. Surrounded by trendy caves, restaurants, and shops, the park attracts locals and visitors alike. The tree-lined pathways provide a serene escape, while the central pond adds a touch of tranquility. The park hosts cultural events, live performances, and art exhibitions, creating a dynamic atmosphere. It's a popular spot for joggers, families, and those seeking a leisurely stroll. Parkade Eventos stands as a testament to Bogota's commitment to green spaces and community engagement in the midst of urban life. 8. Montserrat Majestic Mountain overlooking Bogota is a pilgrimage site and a panoramic haven. Ascending via cable car or funicular unveils sweeping views of the city's sprawling landscape. At its summit stands the sanctuary of Montserrat, attracting both devotees and visitors seeking spiritual tranquility. The iconic church, housing the revered fallen lord of Montserrat statue, exudes a serene ambience. The mountain's lush surroundings offer hiking trails for nature enthusiasts, whether for religious contemplation or appreciating Bogota's skyline. Montserrat stands as a sacred symbol and a natural escape, inviting diverse experiences within the embrace of Colombia's capital. 9. Bogota Gold Museum. Museo del Oro is a cultural jewel illuminating Colombia's pre-Columbian heritage. Nestled in La Candelaria, it houses an extensive collection of exquisite gold artifacts, revealing the advanced metallurgical skills of indigenous civilizations. Intricately crafted jewelry, sculptures, and ceremonial items tell stories of ancient societies with captivating detail. The museum's thematic exhibits explore the symbolism and spiritual significance of gold in diverse cultures. As one of the world's most significant gold collections, Museo del Oro invites visitors to embark on a mesmerizing journey through time, unraveling the mysteries and artistry of Colombia's rich indigenous past. 10. The National Capitol in Bogota, a monumental neoclassical building, stands as a symbol of Colombia's democratic governance. Home to the Congress of Colombia, it dominates the cityscape with its iconic dome and Corinthian columns. Completed in 1926, its design mirrors classical influences, exuding a sense of political grandeur. The Plaza Bolivar, with the capital at its heart, is a historic focal point where citizens gather for political and cultural events. The capital's interior, adorned with murals and sculptures, preserves the country's legislative history. It's a living testament to Colombia's commitment to democracy and civic engagement.